Even if we accept the importance of digital transformation, is not this too much? Do I exaggerate or expect a level of attention impossible to provide in practice? After all, we do not drive digital transformation in vacuum. Leaders and members of the organization also have other priorities. There is always a time pressure. People may lack experience. Can we complete digital transformation right at all? What if we cannot do it right? Well, it will be slow and expensive. We will need several iterations to get the same results. Shortcuts and quick savings always have a heavy toll in complex programs like digital transformation, but we can do it. If we have strong motivation and stamina, a trial and error approach may work. True, we will not get the same results. We are likely to exceed budget and miss deadlines. We will have detours and we will end up redoing work to get it right the second or third time, but it's still worth it. Remember, digital transformation is not about technology. It is about people, learning, and new ways of cooperation enabled by technology. So the most important aspect of digital transformation lies in its organizational learning potential. Even if we take an inefficient path, we learn during the process. If we persevere, we develop an experienced team which gets familiar with change and sees things in a different way. Even our detours may be sources of innovation. While adopting industry best practice is a safe and efficient way to go, wandering into uncharted territory may bring new exploration. But be careful. Do not expect these discoveries to make up for your inefficiencies. An indisputable gain of the trial and error approach, however, is lessons learned from these inefficiencies. Starting with transformation project the wrong way will help you understand why we need so much consideration. Besides, perceiving digital transformation a messy process doesn't mean you are not doing it right. Learning is messy. Transformation is messy. We leave a familiar environment to implement models and processes we not yet understand. It is natural to feel insecure in the middle of transformation. You may still not believe digital transformation deserves the elevated support from top management I am arguing for. Then consider this. Digital transformation focuses on people and new business models and processes introduced and implemented. It affects the entire organization. It transforms the way the organization operates. Digital transformation is not a technology project. It is a complete overhaul of how your organization works. When you start such an overhaul, it is not a support function in your strategic portfolio. It is the backbone of your strategy, the process that propels your organization into its future.